Wow. Hey guys, Brian here. So we're missing a lot of water. This is a first. Now this is the sound here in Navarre, Florida, just off of Jessica Way. As you can see, the water usually comes up to here. So we are missing mass quantities of water. This will be a first for me to be able to walk out on this. Wow. So just from this area alone, this is like a good 100 feet of water missing. And we are here in Navarre, Florida. And this is the sound that runs all the way into Pensacola and runs down through Panama City in Destin and goes out. And that is the barrier right there. And then you have the Gulf of Mexico. So we are missing so much water here. Unbelievable. So I can only imagine what it would look like, say, in Pensacola Bay and all that stuff, and Okaloosa Island. But this is Okaloosa. This is Okaloosa Island. It runs all the way down. This island runs all the way into Pensacola. If I were to get, wow, it runs out even further, as you can see. Normally these docks are where, you know, you can see where the water usually goes to. It's right here, so. All that's usually covered up. Usually here I'm standing, you know, about right here in water. Where'd the water go? If it keeps going that way, I'll come out later and see if it's gone out even further. But over on this end, you can walk out all the way over there. Unbelievable.